Good afternoon, YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to do an update on this orchid. I've only touched base on it once or so, and it was a thank you video. And look at it now. Wow, it's only been a month or two, and this thing has just exploded in growth. So, yeah, I got this orchid from Brandon there, and I just wanted to show it off because it's amazing. So I'm going to butcher the name, but it's like a Rhynchostylis coelestis blue. Anyways, it's in the Vanda tribe, and as you can see, it's Vanda-like. I'm really pleased with the size of it. It's not a huge plant at all, but I noticed today its spike has opened, and look at it. It's just beautiful. I love the little flowers. They are heavily scented as well. It smells really good. I'm going to take another smell. Really, really beautiful smell to it. And yeah, for an update on the plant itself, you know, it came in really healthy. And definitely no complaints on it at all. It looked like a perfectly healthy plant, but it has just exploded in growth. Look at these new thick roots coming out of it. I had to zap strap an old root to keep it in place, but look at the new roots, like they're massive coming out of it. A few roots that I can trim off here that are no longer alive. Just on the front, you can see this one is still alive, and it's starting to grow new roots all over the old root as well. So there's one. And there's one down there. And you can see it's growing some new roots this way. We'll turn it around, give you a different view of it. Another root. And all of these are new growth or new root tips on here, so they're all exploding out, and it's going to be a rooty mess just like the rest of my plants. I found a basket for it. It wasn't a true Vanda basket, but it seemed to work. The roots were coming out sideways. I believe this was just a division or a keiki from a mother plant. So anyways, it doesn't go down very deep. So I just I have it sitting on this moss, and that just gives it a little bit of extra humidity right around where it needs it. And it seems to have really appreciated that. But yeah, look at this. The fogger just kicked on. I'm filming this on the cool side. But we'll have another look at the flowers while the fogger's on, and then I will explain my conditions for it. Look at that. So beautiful. As you can tell from the fogger, maybe you can't even hear the fogger, I'll just keep going. As you can tell from the fogger, high humidity in here. There's a hydro fogger on the warm side as well as the cool side of the greenhouse. Humidity is always around 85% in here, sometimes a little bit higher. Provides me great growing for aerial roots. The aerial roots just love it. They can come out, they don't need media, and that goes for all of my plants. The aerial roots just kind of grow nuts on them. So this one I don't imagine will be any different. The nighttime lows are about 20 Celsius or 72 Fahrenheit. The daytime highs so far have been around 27 Celsius, about 85 Fahrenheit. But they can, you know, in the hot days of summer reach upwards of 30 plus Celsius. And it seems to be handling that just fine, as it is a warmer growing orchid. But yeah, there it is. Give you a look at the tag. Such a beautiful plant. Anyways, I hope you liked this video. And if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to my channel. As always, thanks for watching.